Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Flow, where learning English is easy and fun.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Mohin.
So happy to be here with all of you today.
Emma, before we start, I want to ask you something. What is the most confusing part of English for you?
Oh my God, shadowing. I don't even know where to start with shadowing.
Yes, shadowing. You listen to something and then you repeat it, but your brain just stops. Am I right?
Exactly. You get it.
And the good news? We're not going to give you a boring list. We're just going to talk, like always.
Real situations, real stories.
And by the end of this video, you'll understand shadowing without even thinking about it.
Let's go.
So Emma, real question. Have you ever watched an English movie and thought, I understand nothing?
Every single time.
Right? But here's the crazy thing. What if I told you you could change that in just 2 weeks?
Stop. 2 weeks? That's not real.
I'm serious. Just 10 minutes a day, that's all.
Okay, now I'm listening.
Watch till the end. You'll see.
Wait, before you explain, am I going to sound like a native speaker?
Not in 2 weeks, but your listening completely different. Your confidence so much better.
Okay, I like that. Let's do this.
You're going to surprise yourself, I promise.
I'm ready.
Okay, so what is shadowing?
I have no idea. Tell me.
It's simple. You listen to a word,
Uh-huh.
you repeat it right after, immediately.
That's it?
That's literally it.
That sounds too easy.
I know, right? But it works.
How?
Your brain learns the sound. Your mouth learns the movement. Everything works together.
So I'm not thinking?
No thinking, just listening and repeating.
I like that. No thinking. I can do no thinking.
Perfect, because thinking kills the learning.
Wait, what?
When you think too much, your brain gets tired. But when you just listen and repeat, your brain absorbs everything naturally.
That's actually smart.
Right? It's like when you were a baby, you didn't think about words, you just listened and copied.
Oh, so shadowing is like being a baby again.
Exactly. Kind of. You're copying sounds. You're not translating, you're not analyzing, you're just copying.
I could do that. I'm good at copying things.
Okay, so you ready to try?
Wait. Show me first. How do I start?
First, you need to pick the right material.
Like what?
Anything you love. A movie, a song, a podcast.
A song? Really?
Yes, songs are perfect.
I love Taylor Swift.
Perfect. But here's the thing.
What?
You need something where you understand about 50%.
50%? That's weird.
No, it's perfect. If you understand 100%, you're bored.
Right.
And if you understand 0%, you get frustrated.
True.
50% is the sweet spot.
So I need to find something not too easy, not too hard.
Exactly.
Like Goldilocks.
Yes, exactly like Goldilocks. Just right.
Okay, so I find my material, then what?
You watch it first, just for fun.
Just watch?
Yeah, enjoy it. Don't stress, just enjoy.
Okay. I can do that.
Then you watch it again, and this time,
I shadow.
you shadow.
How many times do I shadow the same video?
3 times.
3. That's a lot.
First time is hard. Your brain is learning.
Right.
Second time is easier. Your mouth remembers.
Okay.
Third time, your brain has got it.
So after 3 times, I'm done.
You're done. Find a new video.
This is actually making sense.
I'm going to play a short clip. You're going to hear it first. Just listen.
Okay.
No thinking. Just listen.
Got it.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How's work?
Oh, it's been crazy. So busy this week.
I know, right? Same here. Do you want to get coffee?
Yes, that sounds amazing. When?
How about tomorrow at 3?
Perfect. See you then.
Okay, so I got some of that.
What did you get?
I heard coffee and work and tomorrow.
Perfect. That's 50%.
Really?
Yes. You understood the topic. You caught key words. That's perfect for shadowing.
Okay, so now what?
Now we listen again, and you repeat the words.
Right now?
Right now. Just do your best.
Okay. I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. There's no wrong way.
Oh my God, that was weird.
You did great.
Really?
Yes, you repeated coffee clearly. You said work.
I messed up some parts.
So what? That's learning. You noticed what you messed up, right?
Yeah, actually.
That's the whole thing. You notice, your brain learns. You don't make the same mistake next time.
That's actually cool.
Right? Mistakes are good.
I never thought about it like that.
Most people don't, but that's the secret.
Okay, so I got some of that.
What did you get?
I heard coffee and work and tomorrow.
Perfect. That's 50%.
Really?
Yes. You understood the topic. You caught key words. That's perfect for shadowing.
Okay, so now what?
Now we listen again, and you repeat the words.
Right now?
Right now. Just do your best.
Okay. I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. There's no wrong way.
Oh my God, that was weird.
You did great.
Really?
Yes, you repeated coffee clearly. You said work.
I messed up some parts.
So what? That's learning. You noticed what you messed up, right?
Yeah, actually.
That's the whole thing. You notice, your brain learns. You don't make the same mistake next time.
That's actually cool.
Right? Mistakes are good.
I never thought about it like that.
Most people don't, but that's the secret.
Wait, what if the speaker talks too fast?
Good question.
I won't be able to keep up.
Slow it down.
Slow it down? The video?
Yeah, YouTube has speed control.
No way.
Yes way. You can go to 75% speed, 50% speed, even slower.
That's genius.
Right? And as you get better, you speed it up.
So I can start slow and get faster?
Exactly.
I like that.
Plus, when you slow it down, you hear every word clearly.
Yeah, because they're not blending together.
Exactly.
Okay, so if I get lost, I just slow down. Got it.
Real question, though. How long until I see results?
2 weeks.
Just 2 weeks?
If you do it every day.
Every day? Even weekends?
Every day.
That's a lot.
It's 10 minutes.
Oh, just 10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes every day beats 2 hours once a week.
Why?
Your brain needs daily practice, repetition.
So consistency is more important than long sessions?
Way more important.
Okay, I can do 10 minutes every day, I think.
After 2 weeks, you'll notice something.
Like what?
The words are clearer. You understand more.
And after a month?
Your family will notice.
No.
Yes, they'll say, your English is so much better.
What about 3 months?
3 months? You're completely different.
Different how?
Movies without subtitles. Conversations are easier. Your confidence is up here.
I want that.
You're going to have that.
Okay, but here's what I really want to know.
What?
If I shadow every day, will I actually be able to have real conversations?
Good question.
Like, if I meet an American person, can I actually talk to them?
Shadowing will help you listen,
But,
it won't teach you what to say.
oh, so I need something else?
You need to talk to real people, too.
How?
Find a conversation partner, join a club, take classes.
So I do both? Shadowing and real conversation?
Yes.
Which one is more important?
Shadowing is like 70%,
And real conversation?
30%.
Why more shadowing?
Because if you can't listen, you can't have a conversation.
Oh, that makes sense.
Listen first,
speak second, both together.
Okay, so my plan is shadow every day and find someone to talk to.
Yes,
I can do that.
you're going to do amazing.
Have you seen this actually work for people?
Yes, so many people.
Like who?
I had a friend, Maria. She studied English for years.
Years.
7 years.
And she still couldn't understand?
Nope. Movies, podcasts, conversations, all too fast.
That must have been frustrating.
She was about to give up.
So what happened?
She tried shadowing, just 10 minutes a day.
And?
After 2 weeks, she called me crying.
Crying.
Happy tears. She watched a movie and understood it.
Without subtitles?
Without subtitles.
How long did that take?
Just 3 weeks.
3 weeks?
3 weeks of daily shadowing.
I want that story to be my story.
It will be.
I promise.
I promise, if you do the work.
I'm ready. I'm going to start today.
Okay, so what did we learn today? Number 1, shadowing is listening and repeating.
Simple.
Number 2, pick material you like, 50% understanding.
Goldilocks level.
Number 3, do it every day, 10 minutes minimum.
Consistency beats long sessions.
Number 4, mistakes are learning.
Actually good.
Number 5, shadow for listening, real practice for speaking.
Both needed.
And most important,
What?
you have the desire. You have the courage. That's what matters most.
That's sweet. Thank you.
You're going to be fluent. I believe that.
I believe it too now.
Okay, friends, if you loved this video, please like it. Your like helps other people find us.
And subscribe. We post new videos every single day.
Leave a comment below. Tell us, have you tried shadowing?
Tell us your story.
And if you know someone learning English,
Send them this video.
share it with them. Tell them about shadowing.
Because this actually works.
Your life can change in 3 months.
Starting today.
That's all for today, friends.
Thank you so much for watching.
Go pick your video right now.
Shadow for 10 minutes.
Do it tomorrow. Do it the next day.
Keep going.
And come back in 3 months.
Tell us your story.
We can't wait to hear it.
See you next time on Speak English Flow.
Where learning English is easy
And fun.